Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Ringa Ringo Roses. Ringa Ringo Roses. Let's see students. Wow! There are 4 children. What they are doing? They are playing in a ring. Ring means in a circle. Let's start students. Ringa ringo roses, ringa ringo roses, a pocket full of posies, a pocket full of posies. You have to repeat after me. Repeat after me. Ringa ringo roses, a pocket full of posies. See, they all are in a pose. The pocket full of poses. Tisha, Tisha, we all fall down. Tisha, Tisha, we all fall down. They all fall down. Let's repeat again. Ringa, ringa, roses, a pocket full of posies. Tisha, Tisha, we all fall down. Ringa, ringa, roses, a pocket full of posies. Tisha, Tisha, we all fall down. They all fall down. Okay, students. I hope you all like the poem. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.